Hello, good day viewers. Welcome back once again. Please kindly support my channel by subscribing, also like, comment and share. In this video, we are going to find the principal square root of the imaginary unit I, right? Now let's get started. We all know that the square root of this imaginary unit is going to have a real part and an imaginary part, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to let or assume that the square root of this I has a real part of A, then plus the imaginary part of B, right? Then from here, we are going to square both sides. So here, this is squared, and here, this is squared. So from here, the square and the root sign will cancel out. Here we have I is equal to, this is same as A plus IB multiplied by A plus IB, right? So here I is equal to A times A here is A squared plus A times IB is IAB plus IB times A here is IAB. Then IB times IB, I times I is I squared, which is -1. Then we have negative B squared. You just need to be careful when dealing with complex numbers or imaginary numbers, right? So from here, we can write the real part of this iota as 0. Then here we have plus I, that is the imaginary part. This is equal to A squared minus B squared. Then here plus, IAB plus IAB, that is I to AB. So from here, we can compare the imaginary part and the real part. So from here, the real part, we have A squared minus B squared. This is equal to 0. And the imaginary part, 2AB is equal to 1, because I here is 1 times I. So the imaginary part of this is 1. So here we have 2AB, this is equal to 1. From this equation right over here, A squared is equal to B squared. Okay. Mind you, we are interested in finding the principal square root of I, right? So now from here, we have to divide both sides by 2. We get AB is equal to 1 over 2. The idea here is to square both sides. By so doing, we have here A squared, B squared. This is equal to 1 over 4. Now, recall, A squared is equal to B squared, right? So from here, we replace this with B squared times B squared. This is equal to 1 over 4. From here, this becomes B to the power of 4. This is equal to 1 over 4. Okay. Then from here, we take the fourth root of both sides. We're interested in finding the principal square roots. I keep reminding ourselves so that we don't make mistake. Okay. So let us take it like that, like this. This is the same as B squared squared. This is equal to 1 over 4. Now, let's take root of both sides. We get B squared is equal to square root of 1 all over 4. That will give us 1 over 2. And again, let's take the roots again. So here we get B is equal to the square root of 1 over 2, and that will give us 1 over root 2. Okay, I didn't take the root as plus or minus because I'm interested in finding the principal square roots, right? Then let us recall that A squared is equal to B squared. So from here, B squared is equal to 1 over 2. So this actually means that A squared is equal to 1 over 2, right? And from here again, a is equal to 1 over root 2. Now, let us recall that earlier we assumed that the square root of I is equal to a plus ib. And here we have the value, so we can now deduce that the square root of I is equal to a 1 over root 2 plus I times b 1 over root 2. And simplifying this, we have the square root of I. This is equal to, 1 plus I all over the square root of 2. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.